Hi YouTube, here's my unboxing and test of the car door safety light which I bought from Lazada. You can view the item here. So far so good. The packaging is nice and secure. And the package itself is in order and undamaged. The steps are straight to the point, though I could use more illustration on how to properly insert the battery. The white case is where you insert the LED module, the red caps are the cover, and of course you have the battery and the corresponding magnet of the sensor. Last but not least are the LED modules. Now let's try to assemble this. And that's it. Drive safely.